All right, let's dive right into today's explainer. We are taking a real magnifying glass to the digital landscape over in Tamil Nadu. Specifically, we're unpacking the strategy of a company that is making some absolutely massive waves, Minmini Digital Marketing. If you've ever wondered how a regional agency structures its value proposition to really stand out in a totally saturated market, well, this is for sure the explainer for you. We're going to look directly at their messaging and their structural strategy to see exactly how they position themselves as a hyper-local powerhouse, especially in a highly specialized niche.
Here's the roadmap for what we're covering today. Number 1, claiming the top spot. 2, their 5 pillars of digital growth. 3, that healthcare marketing specialty. 4, the Minmini advantage. And finally, number 5, looking to the future.
Okay, kicking things off with Section 1, claiming the top spot and establishing authority in Tamil Nadu.
So, when you're fighting for visibility in a localized market, your initial positioning is literally everything. You have to capture attention immediately. And Minmini, they don't whisper, they shout. Right out of the gate, their primary messaging is, quote, Minmini Digital Marketing, the best digital marketing agency in Tamil Nadu. No qualifiers, no, we're one of the best. They just plant their flag directly at the summit. And from a marketing psychology standpoint, this level of assertive, confident self-identification is absolutely crucial for setting a tone of total authority.
But, a massive claim without any backing is really just hot air, right? So how do they actually back it up? With the number 10. 10 years operating in the digital marketing industry. I mean, think about how insanely fast algorithms change. Surviving and thriving for a full decade in this space is a frankly undeniable metric of adaptability. And they immediately follow that up with another core metric to cement that authority. Over 60 clients successfully served. So the really crucial takeaway here is this. They hook you with this massive localized claim of being the absolute best, and then, within seconds, hit you with a classic, highly effective 1-2 punch of authority and solid social proof. Moving right along to Section 2, the 5 pillars of digital growth. This is really the engine of their online dominance. So, how exactly do they deliver on all those big promises? Well, by utilizing a highly interconnected ecosystem. Step 1 is SEO optimization. That's the foundational keyword research ensuring local visibility. Step 2 is Google Ads, giving that targeted push to capture immediate buyer intent. Step 3 is social media, building a really measurable, engaged community. Step 4 ensures that all those clicks actually go somewhere useful through modern, responsive website design. And finally, Step 5 is video marketing for compelling visual storytelling. It's not just a disjointed menu of a la carte services, It's a seamless end-to-end funnel designed to capture, engage, and ultimately convert.
Which brings us to Section 3, the healthcare marketing specialty. This is, without a doubt, their unique superpower.
Look, the digital marketing space is incredibly crowded with generalists. So to truly dominate, you need a highly specialized differentiator. On one side, sure, Minmini handles general digital marketing, your corporate portals and broad brand campaigns for typical businesses. But on the exact opposite side is their true standout, the healthcare specialty. We are talking about highly specific hospital marketing and targeted patient acquisition. They're one of the very few agencies in the region with this dedicated expertise, successfully navigating a niche that requires immense trust and a really strict understanding of regulations.
So, what does that actually look like in practice? Let's check out their core healthcare initiatives. They aren't just running generic web banners. They're running digital promotions for free medical camps all across the region. They're building complex patient awareness campaigns to connect everyday people with specialist doctors. They orchestrate large-scale community health drives and execute comprehensive hospital brand building. So the big so what you should take away from this is how they use digital tools to drive tangible, on-the-ground healthcare results. They are literally connecting the communities of Tamil Nadu with vital medical care.
All right, jumping into Section 4, the Minmini advantage. We're looking at hyperlocal focus and measurable ROI.
To really understand their competitive edge, we have to look at their underlying core values and see how those map directly to client benefits. If their core value is being ROI-driven, while the benefit is measurable revenue growth, not just vanity metrics like clicks or likes. Because they have deep local market knowledge, they understand Tamil Nadu's cultural nuances to create campaigns that actually resonate with real people. And finally, transparent reporting provides full accountability with absolutely zero hidden metrics. It's an entire value system built from the ground up around regional trust. And the culmination of all these values is this specific philosophy: long-term growth planning. The source material emphasizes that Minmini actively avoids just giving clients short-term spikes. I mean, a viral post is fun. Actually, scratch that. A viral post is great for a quick hit of dopamine, but it doesn't sustain a hospital or a local business in the long run. Instead, they focus entirely on building lasting, sustainable online authority. They build strategic digital roadmaps that are explicitly designed to endure and compound over time.
Finally, let's wrap up with Section 5, looking to the future and staying ahead of the digital curve.
You know, a really great way to understand an agency's trajectory is simply by looking at what they choose to highlight in their thought leadership. They are actively strategizing for 2025 right now, analyzing WhatsApp update features for better customer engagement, and diving deep into how generative AI is completely reshaping marketing. And amazingly, they're already projecting into 2026. They are publishing comprehensive guides on 2026 hospital marketing strategies and 2026 healthcare SEO. They aren't just reacting to today's market. They are operating leaps and bounds ahead, acting as total future-ready guides for their clients.
Which leaves us with one incredibly important, really provocative question as we finish up this explainer. Is your business ready for 2026? We've seen how Minmini Digital Marketing carved out absolute dominance by combining confident positioning, an interconnected 5-pillar ecosystem, a highly specialized niche, and a fiercely forward-looking perspective. It really challenges you to look at your own local marketing strategy. Is it as structured, as specialized, and as forward-thinking as the one we've just unpacked together? Something to think about. Keep learning, keep focusing, and I will catch you in the next explainer.